This isn't a standard crash test. At 70 kilometers per hour, a Volvo XC60 collides with a full-size moose dummy weighing 360 kilograms. Wildlife impacts like this aren't included in official crash test regulations, but Volvo still tests them because they're a real danger on roads across northern Europe. The moose dummy is one of only two in the world. It's built from dozens of rubber discs threaded onto steel cables, creating a structure that behaves much like a real animal during impact. Its reinforced legs and robust construction allow engineers to repeat the same test over and over while collecting consistent data. These tests help Volvo understand how the vehicle responds to one of the most challenging real-world collisions, and use those findings to further improve occupant safety.